أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
قال بل سولت لكم أنفسكم أمرا فصبر جميل عسى الله أن يأتيني بهم جميعا إنه هو العليم الحكيم.
He said, rather, your souls have contrived something for you. Patience is a virtue. Perhaps Allah will bring them all back to me. He is the knowing, the wise.
وتولى عنهم وقال يا أسفا على يوسف وابيضت عيناه من الحزن فهو كظيم.
Then he turned away from them, and said, Oh my bitterness for Joseph! And his eyes turned white from sorrow, and he became depressed.
قالوا تالله تفتأ تذكر يوسف حتى تكون حرضا أو تكون من الهالكين.
They said, By Allah, you will not stop remembering Joseph, until you have ruined your health, or you have passed away.
قال إنما أشكو بثي وحزني إلى الله وأعلم من الله ما لا تعلمون.
He said, I only complain of my grief and sorrow to Allah, and I know from Allah what you do not know.
يا بني اذهبوا فتحسسوا من يوسف وأخيه ولا تيأسوا من روح الله إنه لا ييأس من روح الله إلا القوم الكافرون.
O my sons, go and inquire about Joseph and his brother, and do not despair of Allah's comfort. None despairs of Allah's comfort except the disbelieving people.